would you put tech screws in here? Gold ones, so they look nice.
Because I had to cut them up to bloody fit them.
Yeah, no, that's all right, mate. I didn't know, and I just thought, all right, yep, no.
Cut them all.
I just have never seen a tech screw, that's all, and I just went, right.
No, they're threaded screws.
Right. Yep.
Not a tech
screw. Gotcha. Yeah, no.
Had your special gold bullshit ones that I bought.
Ah, mate, you got to have them.
So, see the oil things are cut away, Jack? Cut away the...
Oh,
oil.
yes. Yep.
So I'll paint that red, that part red. And that, oil I'm going to do green, I think. Green oil?
Well, that's...
Or gold, I don't know.
Ooh, gold.
Yeah, I thought doing these in a colour like oil, maybe gold.
Yep.
Gold, that and that and that.
Good gold, mate.
And then I've got the red for the explosive parts, like the barrel.
Yep.
The head, I thought I'd do the blue on the air and red on the exhaust.
Mm-hmm.
And I reckon this is almost ready to go. No, got to do all that.
What's that, mate?
The clutch part.
So seeing if I can clean this out.
So,
Can you put that new one on? That one, yeah, the one, jeepers, that nasty one. But it should be good to go in.
where's the washer? Fucking
Is that it?
funny looking. No, the one that you peen over.
Oh, I know what you mean, yep. There it is, it's in there.
I knew that.
Good. It's a lot easier.
Keep in mind that bloody clutch was totally rusted out.
Yeah.
So that nut that you got would have, doesn't have to be tight. Got that.
Bend him over.
No,
No, you're not going to worry about it.
not unless I crank it so fast that it bloody spins off.
off. Time.
Have I left any parts out?
No.
see all the clutch and that works, sort of.
See that moves in and out.
Eh? Sorry?
This bit here.
What?
Moves in and out. Oh no, it's just loose.
Yeah.
That's alright. Right, that's good. Alright, well look mate, I'm going to sneak away.
Alright. Oh shit, it's 6 o'clock. I
Yeah.
fucking missed a beer.
So,